Okay, so today we are going to talk about the KMS prototype we have created in this term for the course of digital transformation. The KMS is called Fantastic Force, the same name of our team. Here are the members of the team. Let's begin. So first, I will make a small introduction of what is exactly a KMS and what are the technologies that to make a KMS successful. First, the KMS need to identify critical knowledge within the firm, the company, or even an institution that needs to be retained or shared internally or external to shareholders. Second, they need to collect, store, and organize such critical knowledge in a format or location. It means that once we know what is the relevant knowledge or information that has been identified in the company or organization, the firm must develop process and tools in order to collect and store that knowledge and information. Third, it needs to facilitate the knowledge transfers and the tension between users. And fourth, it needs to utilize existing knowledge to drive new knowledge of creation. It means that after you have identified all the important information, you have collected all the knowledge, it needs to make easy for anyone that use the KMS to create and innovate new projects, new technologies. So in this presentation, we will present our KMS prototype that will help organizations, any kind of institutions to display different things to work for different projects and manage different sources of information in one place. Also, we try to use these 4 points that I have mentioned, so we are sure that this KMS will be successful. This is the agenda for today. We will begin with the introduction of the business scenario. Then we will mention all the key characteristics of the KMS. Finally, we will just give our experience and conclusions of this project.
Hello, everyone. I will be presenting in front of you all the introduction of business scenario that we have made for our KMS. So the KMS is a digital platform that has been used to facilitate different efficient and effective management of information and knowledge within the university. So it is designed to provide easy access to important information, contacts, and links that are relevant to the university community. So the KMS features several modules that are designed to cater to the specific needs of the university community. So these modules includes the notice board, recent activity, contacts, important links, archives, timers, and news. And let me take a moment to provide a brief overview of each of these modules. Yeah. So the notice board is a section where important announcements, notices, and updates are displayed. It is a convenient way for the university administration to communicate important information to the entire university community. So the recent activity section provides updates on the latest activities and events happening within the university. It is a useful tool for keeping track of ongoing activities and staying informed about the latest happenings within the university. Contacts module provides Contacts module provides a comprehensive list of important contacts within the university. This includes contact details for faculty members, administrative staff, and other important personnel within this university. Important links module provides a quick access to important web resources such as university website, library resources, and other relevant websites that are commonly used by the university community. The archive module provides access to past documents, reports, and other resources that may be relevant to the university community. This is a valuable tool for researchers and students who need to access historical information. The timer module is a handy tool that can be used for time management. It can be set to remind users of important deadlines, appointments, and meetings. And finally, the news. The news module provide updates on the latest news and developments within the university. This includes news about academic programs, research activities, and other important developments within the university. But we will be going to detail you all about the all the characteristics. This is just a brief, and I would like to hand over to Alvaro again. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankit. So I will begin explaining about the notice board. So what is exactly a conventional notice board? Actually, a notice board is not like a place where you can find public information, such events, announcements, or provide attention to the public. However, these conventional notice boards require persons who need to publish those information, or any other people that needs to go to an exact place where it is located to see the publications or to update the information. However, with our KMS and digital notice board, we have some advantage of using this digital feature. First, the reduction of manpower, because it reduces the effort of a single person who has to stick all notice manually on the conventional notice board. So anyone can update information, anyone can share any news, any events that are happening in the company, in the institution, in any organization. Then the reduction of time, because now the people can view and transmit information on the display board within seconds, because there will be less waiting time for accessing the information, since everyone can access at the same time. So you don't have to wait. You can, many people can use and see all at the same time. And finally, it is easy accessibility. As we mentioned, this is on the internet. This is in the KMS application. So all the information can be accessed through the app. So there will be a wide spread of information in wide regions. So anyone can access to this at any place using their laptops, cell phones, or in any devices that have access to internet. So let me show you first how this is work in the SharePoint web page. Here is the SharePoint web page where you can see the app. The app, here is the notice board. We have 3 examples of how it works. You just need to click here, and then it sends you to the page where there is the information. And you can see in the page other features, any kind of videos, data that will be important for your project. So now let's go to the second characteristic.
Thank you so much, Alvaro. So the key feature, the key characteristics which I'll be explaining is the recent activities. So as you all know that this is a key feature of our KMS project, and it keeps everyone up to date on the latest developments that is in the company or in the university. So it also allows users to keep track of latest updates, like the changes, and if there is any addition in the system. So this feature particularly is important for teams to work collaboratively, as it enables team members to stay informed of what their colleagues are up to, like and what they're working upon and what are the deadlines, and can also be alerted about any news or any information which is relevant to work. So a recent activity feed typically includes a chronological list of like updates such as new files, documents, comments, or messages, as well as notifications about any changes to the project or any existing content. So in our KMS system, the recent activity feature may include updates about the new events, notices, and news articles, as well as changes to contact information and other relevant data. So this feature is a great way for the departments to monitor their projects, assign tasks to the team members, and communicate any update to the team. For example, if a department is working on a project, they can use this KMS system to post updates on the progress made, and other team members can view the updates and also give the feedbacks and suggestions accordingly. So this features helps team to stay on top of the work, and so make sure that everyone is on the same page. To make it very easy for the users, what we have done is it is prominently displays the homepage of it's displayed on the homepage of the website at the top menu, and also if you can see on the phone app also. So this way users can quickly see what are the new updates and what are the latest developments. So in conclusion, the recent activities is essential part of our KMS system, allowing teams to stay informed. We hope like this can bring changes to the department. And Enviro, can you please show the recent activity tab on our website? Yes. So this recent activity task has all the like information and the news updates files or any documents which are like being update or done in recent past. So this is a good way for teams to work collaboratively. And the second part now comes to is can you switch back to the presentation, is the contacts. So I'll discuss about this feature. So this feature, what it does is it's a valuable tool that departments can use and maintain a centralized database for all their contacts. This feature enables teams to contact information more quickly and efficiently, reducing the time like for to save the contact information they need. This is especially helpful when a department needs to contact, for example, a supplier, right, a client or any external party. On the other hand, contact characteristics refers to the ways in which KMS system enables users to connect and communicate with each other. This could include features like chat functionality, message system, or contact directories, which allow people to find the contacts of the other teams and members or stakeholders. So these features can help users to get in touch with the right person at the right time, making the communication more efficient and effectively. So in a KMS system, contact characteristics may also include features like in future, for example, calendar integration, which enables users to schedule a meeting or directly visit our app or the website, and can send email directly from the system using our contact information. So these features can help user to stay organized and say and which reduces the time which it takes to complete tasks. On the other hand, it can also include management tools wherein specific team members can track progress over time, which enables like which enables everyone to manage complex in such short time. So overall, we're providing up to date information and easy access to all the stake members, colleagues. Our KMS system is like can help us streamline workflows, improve communication, and enhance the overall productivity of the company. Can you also show the contact column on our web page, Alvaro? Yeah, so if you scroll down, you can see the contact information. So contact information can include your email ID, your phone number, your contact information, from which you can be reached easily at any given point of the day. So I'll hand over to Mukesh Sharma, who will explain you further. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alvaro. So this is an important part we have added in our system that. So I will be explaining about archives. So the archives module of our KMS is designed to provide easy access to past document reports and other resources that may be relevant to the organization. And some of the key characteristics of this module include comprehensive. The archives module is designed to provide comprehensive access to past documents and reports. This includes research papers, conference proceedings, and other resources that may be of interest to researchers and students. Searchable. The module is searchable, which means that user can quickly and easily find the resources they need. The search function is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so user can find what they need with minimal effort. Accessible. The archive module is accessible to all members of the community, and this means that researchers students, faculty members who is using the KMS can all benefit from the wealth of the information that is available in the archives. Organized, the resources in the archives module are organized into categories and subcategories to make it easier for users to find what they need. This organization structure is designed to be intuitive and user friendly so user can quickly find the resources they need. So, Alvaro, I request, can you please show our professor and other members that how archive works? Yeah. So this is the archive section that we have the reports and all the documents we have. So anybody want to access this can easily access this. This is organized, this is accessible, this is comprehensive, and can very be it is really understandable that what actually it is. Thank you. So timer. The timer module of our KMS is designed to help users manage their time more effectively. Some of the key characteristics of this module include this is customizable. The timer module is customizable, which means that user can set it up to suit their specific needs. User can set reminders for appointments, deadlines, and other important events, and can customize the settings to ensure that they receive the notifications they need. User friendly, the timer module is designed to be user friendly and intuitive. So user can quickly and easily set up reminders and notifications. The interface is simple and easy to use, so user can focus on their work without getting distracted by complex settings. Multiple reminders. The timer module allows user to set up multiple reminders for different events. This means that users can set reminders for appointments, deadlines, and other events all at once and can receive notification for each event at the appropriate time. And the last is flexible. The timer module is flexible, which means the user can set up reminders for one-time events for recurring events. These flexibilities allow user to manage their time more effectively and ensures that they never miss an important deadline or appointment. So overall, the archives and timer modules are valuable tools that can help user manage their time more effectively and access important resources more easily. I request Alvaro to please move to the website page so that we can see. So yes, this is the timer running for all of us that we can see that what actually is due on it and how much time it is left for the next task we have. So this is the role of the timer that plays an important role that a user can easily set on the interface. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I am going to explain you about the important links which we have on our portals. Like importance link generally helps you to get ready update. Few of the key highlights I have mentioned, like improved accuracy and relevance of information it will provide you. Links update ensure that all the updates are available there. And if there is any issue with the existing links, so all broken links are replaced with the current and relevant one. This helps to maintain the accuracy of the information within the system for all the users who are accessing it, and ensure that user can access up-to-date resources on daily basis. It also increase the usability and efficiencies in the sense like link you can update, improve the usability, efficiency uh, uh, of the KMS, as user able to quickly and easily access information through these updated links. Then it's also enhanced user experience. Consistently updating link and ensuring that they are functional can help them easy and faster way to get the information, which save their time, energy, and let them get the required intact information within a easy or quite with less time. Users are more likely to engage with the system if all these links are updated, and they will have confidence in the reliability and accuracy of the system. Next is better collaboration. A well-maintained KMS system with updated links always can facilitate better collaboration among users, because it is not like that only one person is using this. There are multiple person who can access this system. Through this, it ensures that everyone is working with the same information and resources, so that the same information can be shared with all the persons, so that there should not be any issue or any false or any disconnect with the shared information. Then compliance with regulatory requirements. In some cases, university may be required to comply with the certain regulatory requirement related to the maintenance of accurate and up-to-date information, which generally updated in times through these link updates, and these link updates ensure to demonstrate that compliance are up to date and as per the university requirements. Alvaro, can you show this in our app as well? Yeah, you can see on the website that there we have two links available where we are displaying. You can have an access of any library, like we have shown there, my McGraw-Hill book or University Canada West library link or any update link. It's customizable, and user can get any information through these links, which is already updated, and he will get information intact. And accuracy, usability, efficiency will be increased through these links. Now, I'm going to tell you about the news. News like these can be the university news as well as the surrounding news as well as. Surrounding means what is happening in the market, how the students can be updated. Like these are the few of the things I have mentioned here, like campus news and events. Through these updates, all the student and the faculty, staff, student informed about important campus news, events, and the deadlines. This information can help promote engagement and participation in campus activities and the new initiative taken by the university, or if any new update shared by the any faculty member. Then it also helps for the curriculum relevance for the student to build their profile. Like faculty and staff also can keep their curriculum more relevant and up to date. They can use these updates to incorporate in their curriculum to be in line with the real world example and case studies and discussions in their courses, making them more engaging and relevant to the studies and relevant to students. Next is career readiness. These news, obviously, if they are updating you on time, then a student can be prepared for their future career, which exposing them to latest trend, challenges, and opportunities in their field. After completing their courses, this knowledge can help a student to be competitive and marketable in the job searches. Now, funding opportunities. Research opportunities. Research opportunities in the sense that this provide researchers with valuable insight into the latest trends going on the market and the development in their working field, actually, because some are doing their course in the marketing field, some are doing in the supply chain field, some are going to the HR. So they will get an information related to their field through this news. This information can inspire new researches, questions, and ideas, which help researchers stay current and updated. Then funding opportunities. Funding opportunities means like what are the new how university identify potential funding opportunities, grants, and partnership. Like student will once their course is completion or they're in the final semester, what are the paid internship opportunities is there in the market. So these funding opportunities help them keep them update so that they can be aligned and their alliance to uh, to achieve their goals. Next is collaboration and networking. How it can facilitate collaborating and networking among faculty along with the staff members, student and industry professional by sharing relevant relevant news insight which help connect individual with common interest. Then it also help to engage with the community. Community means by sharing information about new events happening, initiatives, and the partnerships. Then public relation and marketing means by sharing new stories, research happening, and new findings happening in the market. This way this can be connected. Alvaro, please show this on the portal as well, how that student and staff can have access. You can see that there is a portal which are continuously updating to get all this relevant information through our app.
So now we are going to talk about our experience here. No, we have been working in this project for at least 2 months, right? So yeah, it was a bit challenging for everyone here to create the app, to develop the KMS on Microsoft Teams. So let me show you here how it works on the cell phone, the Microsoft, and as you see on SharePoint. So first on SharePoint, here, this is the page, the web page of the KMS that we create. Also, we can see the same here on Teams. We have created an app. If we click right here, it's Fantastic Four. It appears the same thing with the same characteristics, features that we have mentioned in our presentation. And lastly, here is the cell phone screen. You can see this is the Microsoft Teams on cell phone. You just search for the app. There it says Fantastic Four. You just click on the app here and you can access also to the application. The application you can see here, the notice board that we have mentioned, recent activities that is here. Also the contact information, important links, archived here, the timer, and the news. So as we can see, it's fully functionable on cell phones, on your Microsoft Teams, and also on your SharePoint.
As far as I am concerned about my experience with this, like when we started building this, we all know that we were just looking at our faces that how will it be started. It would be really difficult for us. Then everyone come up with their unique new ideas that how it can be created. We spent hours weekly to discuss on the canvas that how we can stand, like Alvaro suggested how it will be how a notice board can be like, then how news will work on it, how the update can be there, and then what should be how should the link can be there on our website so that every other person can who are accessing it that can get all the updated informations, how market updates need to be there. And when we are together, it's really like we are really we have really very good bond now. It's been, and it's really good to work with you guys. And now it's a fully functional app, and I really happy that all our works pays. And we personally, I think that we did a great job.
Yeah, I agree.
Thank you, Mukesh. Yeah. So I also have a positive experience in developing this KMS because, like Mukesh said, in starting we have struggled a lot, but it was a well organized and well managed team effort, which leads to because we already have the sense of accomplishment in us that we need to accomplish it, and the resources we get from the university and the help from the professor also. I will not forget to acknowledge this thing, because it was the time when in the class uh, he was motivating us that how we can be successful in life by taking these challenges. So it was really a positive experience, and the thing I think you all liked it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Ankit.
Thank you so much. For me, the experience was like it was like a roller coaster ride. So at first, I was very scared. Like I've never done coding and never created a website, so I was very tensed about it. So how we'll do it? But later, when we saw the videos that Professor mentioned, like we had a some picture in our mind, so how this can works. And I would really like to thank all of you guys for coming together and making it work like it is getting today. And yes, professor has really put us like forced us to be out of our comfort zone, and I really thank him for that. So overall it was a good, I would say it was a new experience for me to create this website and get this app running. Thank you so much, and Alvaro, to you.
Yeah, thank you guys for everything. Just to end, here is our references for the presentation, and just say thank you to the professor that is going to watch this, and to you guys for all this work and for all this term that we have worked together.